I have here the DBPOWER magnetic pieces set. This set comes with several pieces, including square pieces. There's 20 of those. Triangle pieces. There's 14 of those. And then hexagon pieces, 4 of these. And then 2 car wheels. And some numbers, I think 6 numbers. So here's something I just made, this car. There's quite a few things that you can make. And I'll show you some pictures of some different things, but it is a pretty neat set. So these go together quite easily. So you can kind of make whatever you want. It's almost like a large Lego set, but using magnets. And that's just a quick look at it, but there's several different things. And some of these you might have to get an extender set in order to do. But here's just some examples: spaceships and wheels and balls and buildings, crabs, arcs, airplanes. So that's what I just made here, the Roadster. But houses. So that's just a quick glance at it. It's really been a nice set, and the kids have loved it, and I'm real happy, and I'm actually going to end up getting the extender set. So, this is just a quick look. I appreciate you watching. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to leave them below. Thank you.